Hello and welcome back everyone to this new video on this channel. In this video we're going to talk about how to get longer answers on ChatGPT. If you're trying to get detailed answers of the exact question that you're trying to ask ChatGPT, let me show you a couple of things that you can do. First of all, open up your ChatGPT and log into your account. Now the first thing that you can do is type in the exact number of words that you need. So for example, you can add in the exact number of words that you need. So in this case, I've written describe the advantages of using AI in 500 words. So you can type in something like this and hit send. This way you're gonna get a longer answer from ChatGPT. The other thing that you can also do is once the answer has been written, and if you need more, you can just type in tell me more and hit send again. And it's going to give you more information related to your topic. You can also go in depth with any topic that you're trying to know about. So that is the way that you can get longer answers on ChatGPT. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.